Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I want to show you how to wirelessly charge your ZTE Blade Z Max. You're probably saying to yourself, hey, I didn't know this phone did wireless charging. Well, out of the box it doesn't, but with this little adapter you can allow it to support wirelessly charging, and this is how you do it. So, got my charger right there, and I have this little adapter that I basically plug into the charging port, and it goes right behind the phone. Okay, now here's the thing, you will need to have a case on your phone, and if you have a case on your phone, you're fine. Now most phones that I use these little adapters for, you would tuck it underneath the back, but for this phone the back doesn't come off, so totally fine. Just put a case on it, and then you can just take it and stick it on any wireless charger, and it will connect and it will start charging just that easy. Now this adapter will not cost you an arm and a leg. In fact, it's under 20 bucks. It might be under 15. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Click on the Amazon affiliate link so you can see for yourself how much it is. This is a really cool adapter, and guess what? You can easily have your Blade Z Max wirelessly charging wherever you are. So that's it, guys. That's how you get to wirelessly charge. I hope you did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button, and also follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Take care, guys, and have a good one.